my sweet friends. Happy November 2nd. Oh, my goodness. Yep, November 2nd, I went ahead and completed this really cute Christmas journal ornament. It can hang from the tree this way, literally off a branch. Just really cute. I left the tie very loose so it could be tied into a bow or adjusted to whatever height that is needed on the tree. And we have beadwork here, some snowflake and some beads from my mother's stash, which, yeah, I enjoy passing that on. It's just fun. Seed beads. There's a candy cane charm, a snowflake charm, and a believe charm on these. And then also, gotta have jingle bells. I also added some Angel Dream Crafts Kim on the side with the pearls, a poinsettia flower on the front. This is Graphic 45. This is made from a soap box, so if you remember, we did this together. And I just, in order to be able to relax, I just kind of sat up here and just worked off camera. Ties with the candy cane bow, the same as the hanger. And this sweet journal measures, that would help. Now, if you want, I'm going to go from the top of the pages, not the cover, because the pages are outside the journal. So it is a 4 by a 3. So cute size, really cute size, guys. So this is it. These, if you haven't ever tried these, try them. They're a lot of work because they're small, but they're just cute, really cute. And this one, like most of my journals, is stuffed. It should be in my shop. So hopefully it's in there. And I didn't have an issue doing that. So we have a sweet snowman on the inside cover and a tag from one of the really pretty papers that was gifted to me. So there's a gift and a hot, I think it's probably like a peppermint coffee or a hot peppermint cocoa with a candy cane. And then I used a digital on the back that has some lines. The inside is Graphic 45. This page, on a Merry Monday, we created, we created little paper clips, which is what this is. And again, you've got some jingle bells, so I put that in here. The other side has a Graphic 45 tag with a couple seed beads on a bulb pin and 2 little tags and pretty plaid Christmas ribbon. So that sits in here like this, and then this just kind of, everything takes a little bit longer because it's small, sits on there like that. And then there's Nouveau Glaze there and washi tape there. Just really cute. If you went back on my Merry Mondays, you would be able to find that video where we created those. Pulled her over just a little bit. And this side, we have another tag. This also was a Merry Monday tag. You'll see washi tape throughout this little gem of a journal. We used the Merry Christmas truck on this. This happened to be a page that was all collaged, and then we cut it out. And you can see this is snowflake and Christmas tree washi tape, and then fabric ribbon at the top. And of course, we've got the 25. A lot of what you'll see in these collage tags was Artie Mays. So that sits there. You've got a beaded paper clip. And on this side, you have some more washi tape, and there is a cute little tag on that side. Vintage paper here, and a Noel sticker, and this is just a, do you remember when we did these little pop-ups with the index cards? That is what this is, and there's a little gift tag on that side and a little gift tag on that side. I just put that, I thought it would be really cute in there, so I wanted to use it. Then we've got some paper on this side. We've got a little bit of bling on the December. This is a, I'm sorry guys, it's tiny and I know my hands are covering everything. But when you got mini, that's what you've got. So we have a Christmas tag here and a little Christmas tag here. And I put a little tiny seed pearl on the top of that tag, kind of to match the pearls on either side of December. Vintage book page and a ledger page with a sweet little tag, another bead at the top of that paper clip. That's a little Santa gift tag. So if you turn this over, there is a tag there. There's nothing on the back. The back is white. Journal page with some washi tape on that side, another vintage book page. Little pocket here with one of the little poinsettias with the pearls in it, and then a dangle. We also did this Merry Monday. Loved making these little dangles. So you've got little pieces of paper here that you can take out and use for other things if you want, or you can just leave it as a dangle. Just cute. This side, candy cane, puffy candy cane, and more vintage book page. This is a paper clip on here, and what I did is I took, put the December 25 on there, and then just took some of my leftover pages and made a little booklet, and this is stapled together. It is not sewn because I did not want the bulk of the thread, so I thought this would fit this book much better. And then on this page we have another paper clip that we did, Merriest Wishes, and there is a tag because we created a pocket. So there is a tag here that will come out, and it's a gingerbread house. So that flips over. Then you have the center here of your first signature. You have a Merry and Bright tag, and on this side you have a Happy New Year tag. Then on this side here, I will take, you've got a heart paper clip. This comes out and you've got another really cute tag, and I added glitter. Isn't she adorable? Her and her kitty looking at that bird. So it's white on the back. So that just folds over like that. And then on this page, I have attached a pocket. We also did this Merry Monday. Lots of Merry Monday in here. And I have to tell you, if you haven't done Merry Monday this year, you might want to consider it for next year because it has really helped me. Happy New Year sticker and this sweet, sweet tag with these 5 little girls. So that sits inside this pocket, and to hold this all in place, that just sits here. And then we have, like I mentioned, the heart paper clip right there like that. Book page. And December 25th, Christmas Day, 3 sweet little tags in here. And then it is a little double pocket. So there is one pocket, and then in the actual pocket is another tag here. A little mailbox post, and it just goes right in there. It goes in because you saw it was in. There we go. Then another vintage book page. A vintage stuck book page. And another pocket with 2 little tags. You can see I stuffed her. Yes, I did. A Let It Snow sticker, another tag here with a beaded paper clip. The other side of the ledger page, book page, scrapbook page. Here is a tag inside this vintage pocket, and then the months of the year and the days in that pocket. This is the end of the first signature, and here is a sweet tag there. It's all in black and white. And again, a beaded paper clip and a little tag on this side. Then your second signature, we've got a tag here. Really, really cute child out with a Christmas tree. A sled pocket here with 2 tags, December 25th, and they look like, I cut them out to look like stamps. This page then, I believe, this opens up from, yeah, there we go. So you've got some writing space and some washi tape. 2 little tags here. Love that you can see the patina in these book pages. So that opens up. It is vintage. And this side you've got 2 more little tags. Merry Christmas and a Santa, an old-timey Santa. Music paper. More washi tape on coffee or tea-dyed paper. Another sweet tag there. And on the other side, another sweet tag. Isn't that precious? Mother and child. Book page, I believe, is German. Another tag. More washi tape. I used, we had done something together where we had cut this doily in half. Beautiful, beautiful gold doily, so used that there. Another tag here, this just folds over and it is held in place with a paper clip. Book page and another tag and another Happy Holiday sticker. That is the tag. Vintage looking tag. Music paper. Here I did some Tim Holtz Christmas rub-ons and I added a poinsettia, a glittery one. This opens up and you've got a tag here of a Christmas tree and of some children. Folds up, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous patina there. Another Christmas tag there, and I did a glitter book page or coffee dyed page. Here is another pocket in the German book page with a Santa tag and a tag inside of that pocket. And then this page here is a pocket, and we've got a tag inside that pocket. And on the other side, we've got another tag with Santa and glitter. This opens up to give you some writing space. Music paper, another little tag here inside that patinaed book page, and a little tag on this side, 2 little angels, more washi tape, and 2 little tags inside this pocket. This also is a double pocket, and then you have another pocket here and a tag here with a little dangle tag and a bulb pin with some beads. So that just sits right down in there. And this is the back of the book with a another candy cane. So that is, oh guys, isn't she so cute? Please let me know what you think in the comments. Yeah, I mean, we're there, aren't we? It is time for the holidays. So we're going to be doing some big journals together. Christmas journals. I believe we've got 1 more waterfall journal to do. Let me know if you think we should do some more of the ornament books. And I think, you know, we've got time. So if you want to see another ornament book or 2, just let me know and we will make that happen. So happy Thursday, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. I need to get started on that custom order that I have for the Halloween book, and I am going to get started on that right now. So I will catch everybody for Index Card Friday. Take care. Hugs. Bye, guys.